You never seen that photo I show you? You never see the photo? You never seen the photo? You never seen? What do you mean? Let me click your photos?
Misa.
Let me see your photos. Povielku, Genius, Gypsies, 10-year-old me. Wings. Alright. Great.
It was a 10-year-old meme.
Better. Jeffrey Dahmer. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. A bandit. Yes, 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 yes. That was art. Okay. That's good. Yo, to me, to me, that banana is worth at least 1.5 mil. So. Anybody could be an artist. Oh, I'm an artist. I'm an artist. I'm an artist. What's that position 1? A popcorn! That's not the right answer. When me rise me Taurus, snuffling me chop me narcus. That's so we ascend them. Alright, what the fuck I did wrong? I hope you know that you're my wallpaper. Yeah, duh. That's what I'm gonna have after all this anime. I just gotta wait for Cassandra. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Dolly 99. Come on and Miyashi Garden. Take it easy. Yes, we ascend them. Jaminchin, I go friend them. Fuck it. That's wrong as fuck, boy. Fuck. E3, P3. Bright as fuck, boy. One, two, three, four, five. Yes. Because it's already been done. Okay. Boom, boom, on fleek. Yeah. Wrong as fuck, boy. You want to add? You want to add?
Set up an MV12 assertive reactor.
Oh my gosh, what are you doing, Chris? Thanks. I was just trying to focus. I don't know where Dimitri went. I was just trying to figure out my logic shit sucks. Day 2, it was hard because day 2 sucks because it took me forever to, and I still don't understand borrowing. Like when you make them in Rust, when you make them mutable. Like I'm doing this for the purpose of learning Rust, so there's something about trying to, you know, borrow a mutable variable in multiple places. You're not allowed to do that, so I had to like separate my variables concerns. In this case, it was a value in an iterator. I'm like manually managing an iterator. Other than that, I'm just debugging this piece of code. Gets too far ahead. It's definitely not fast if you don't know what you're doing, but that's everything. Yeah, I'm back doing the Rust thing. It's not working, right? It's like skipping too many indexes, so I'm just making the logs easier to read. Just skipping instead of every 4, it's going +2, +8. Yeah. +4. Why you do this? The fuck did I just do? Did it again. Okay, what are you doing, dude? If something happened, then increment. No? Okay, let me see. Increment index from 0 to 4. Why are you doing it twice? Zero to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're at a new op. Why do you get incremented to +8? This loop is tripping me out because it's incrementing twice. I'm gonna need to figure out why. Let's see what's going on here. If is opcode. Yeah, if is opcode. Yeah, alright. That's the only time I want to increment. Jesus Christ. They're always opcodes. Or they always should be. Jesus. Good. Yeah, that's good. No, like outside of the loop? No. Mutable indexes. What does the top of your process function look like again? It's literally just a simple loop with an index, right? And then I put the 99 like breakout in the beginning. If 99 becomes the actual opcode, break, but also print it. If the index is greater than the program length, I don't know if that would ever happen, but I'm leaving it in there anyway. If it's an opcode, which basically doesn't do anything really, this is kind of useless, especially if I'm. No, it might not be useless because there's only 3 opcodes. There's addition, multiplication, and break. But it's also all this is checking is opcode. It's only checking on if your index plus 1 divided by. Oh damn, dude! You didn't see that, dude. You did not see that. Nope, you didn't see it. Like doing a freaking bitwise and on it. Oh, that's something, man. Okay. Wait up. That's hilarious. That better be how you get the modulus. Rust modulus remainder. Yeah, okay. Okay. I can test it real quick. Oh, I can't type, dude. Argument must be a string literal. You know what? Fuck you. I'm doing the most. Nope. Oh. I'm missing something, but I give up. Is opcode program index? I would think that would be it, but is opcode is I'm gonna let it just be I'm sending a usize in, so it's literally supposed to be an index instead of like checking if it's a 1, 2, and 3. I'm checking if it's a remainder of the index is 4, because it's supposed to jump every 4. I can be like, is valid, but I don't want to do that. I'm passing directly the index. Like 0 will be an opcode, plus 4, which is 3, is going to be an opcode. You know, plus 4. As long as it's divisible by 4. Speaking of which, I don't think this is even running, like last I checked. Opening test, like what about the actual program? Oh damn. It's tripping. What did I break here? I guess when I think is opcode, I'd be thinking it's 1, 2, yeah. Like I could fix that easy peasy. Done. His opcode index. I don't like I can't see everything in one line. I'm gonna start getting rid of stuff. Oh, that's disgusting. I'm not gonna do anything about it then. Loop. So with the index starting at 0, which would be the first element, and where an opcode instruction would be, it looks like that would be 1 plus 1. Yeah, yeah. I got that. Oh, equals equals? What am I doing? Equals? I really hope I'm not doing something stupid up there in that is opcode. Yeah, I got it. But I don't... You can't even read the text file anymore. It's like I effed up something here in the file name. And it's just halting. I don't know, maybe it's the loop? Maybe I need to take this... Like it started halting after I put this in there. Drop this down here for a second. Let's see this. Yeah, this time it didn't halt. But this time I don't think it did anything. I'm a big fan of it doing what it's doing right now. 0, 4, 4, 8, 8, 12. But my is opcode index logic is trash. So I need to go back and actually really make it work. Because apparently this right here is wrong. Return. Let's wrap it all up. Unnecessary parentheses. That's what you're gonna do to me? You fucking... Nope. Well, okay, so well, but it'd be saying that the first index would not be an opcode index. Is that really what you think it's doing? I'm not incrementing the index anytime soon. Like, wait. At the very end, if it's an opcode, I want it to be incremented, but it usually is an opcode. I'm not stepping at first I was stepping one by one. I might step one by one, but I think everything's fine. Like, and when you get index 120 or index 4, oh crap, let me see what you're talking about. Yeah, index 0, index 4, those are fine. Scroll up. Yeah, we're already at 0. Then we're already at 4. Then we're already at 8. So it's just that stupid is opcode index. I'm gonna have to just like get rid of the function. It's useless. If index divided by 4 remainder equals 0. That's all I need to do. For some reason that function is just tripping. I don't even know. I think that's the answer. But it looks really freaking high. Way too high. There's not your answer is too low. Okay. All right. Done with that. What you write? What am I trying to code? Okay, there's RL Shah. There's a website called the Advent of Code, which every year they have some coding challenges. And they're already on day 8, but I'm doing it real slow. I'm on day 2 of a coding challenge. And it basically takes an array of integers, and it has like every 4, it does like a operation where the first integer, I don't know if you can see, yeah, the first integer is an opcode, where 1 is a add, 2 is multiply, and 99 is break or leave, and then this is usually like data afterwards stored. And as it runs, it mutates the program itself. So at first it was like 1, 9, 10, 3. What that means, do an addition on the values that are at these positions. So at position 9, we actually have 30. At position 10, we have 40. So 30 plus 40 is 70, and then you store it in position 3, which is actually right here, because this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So you end up getting something like this example. 1, 9, 10, 70, and it continues executing. Now it's going to be here at 2. Multiply the values in positions 3 and 11. So 70 times 40, which ends up being, and then store it in position 0, which is up here. So it ends up becoming 3,500 in the first thing. I don't know if you can see it. That's what I'm doing. And at the end, they want the first thing. Like, what is the value left at position 0 after the program halts? So I'm writing that. But since you're adding 1 to the index in the is opcode check, you're doing 1 plus. Yeah. Oh shit, dude. Because 0 is an opcode. Yeah. I'm never doing the first one. Is that what you're trying to say? I got rid of it though. I'm a little confused now. I'm confusing myself. But it is supposed to be index plus 1, I'm thinking. Always. 0 is supposed to run, but then 4 is supposed to run. So I have to make 2, I'm taking back this opcode function. Oh, geez. Index equals 0. Or index functions never used. Is opcode index Index. My dude. Good as is. I just said it as both. Whoops. I didn't even see any errors. Unnecessary parentheses again. Like, your little linting. God damn. If it's the first one or if you're at... Unless I'm adding +1 to the index every time, which I'm not. Jesus Christus. Okay. I hope I'm not messing something up because that sounded... Now I'm confusing myself. 0 wants to run, but then it'll be 0, 1, 2, 3. No, 0, 1, 2, 3. That's not an opcode. Shit. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god, I'm tripping myself out. I just get it. I just got it. I'm like adding a 1 when I don't need to, man. I get it. There we go. I think I'm good. That's the same number I had it before, so I don't know what the fuck's happening. But I can look here. Position 6 and position 143, which I have no clue what that is. Oh. Position 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 and then 143, so probably this one. 77 plus 2, 79. So 1 with 179. Yep, okay. And then it just ends at 1479 at index 148. But I don't know what the index 148 is. I need a highlighting. I need to do something special to tell me what current index I'm at. Because this has to be the index it gets to. What does 99 supposed to do? It says 99 means that the program is finished and should immediately halt. Encountering an unknown opcode means something went wrong. I see what I'm saying. Yeah. I'm about to test out a smaller subset of this. Okay. 0 and 0 ends up being 2. We're replacing PO3 with 2. Alright. Now we're at 4. 1 plus 2. 0 plus 0. So replace 2 with 0. Okay. 3 and 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 and 1. I'm fucking up an opcode. That's really weird. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It wants me to... Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm at this part. It wants me to add 3 and 4. and put them into 3. Okay, I mean, replacing P3 with 1 with 2. Okay, how many times is it gonna keep messing with that one variable? 19. 19, that's way out there. That's 16. It would be useful to print something out that shows me my current position. I just took I just copied let me show you how I did it. Input and test, right? And so here's my original input. I just copied my input, went to the test thing, you know, pasted the test, and then I pressed 8 because there's 8 characters. You know, every 4 is 8 characters. 8. That's one opcode. That's another opcode. That's another opcode. That's another opcode. That's another opcode. That's an. Oh shit! You know what? Let me just search by these. We go to the beginning, right? And then I press 4 next. Right? I'm at the next opcode. 4 next. 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 And I'll get like half of it. And then I'll just delete the rest of it. Oh shit. I don't trust this anymore. These all look like opcodes. But then it ends up getting over here to... No, they're all good. Alright, so at this point I want to go insert or delete something. $99. Alright, so I just made a new test. Clear cargo run test. Oh, I should take the example. You're right. But the example's tiny. Vim example.txt. And it missed the first one, did it? Okay. Cargo run example. Cargo run example. Okay. 9 and 10. 30 plus 40. Replace 3 with 70. Alright, that's cute. Alright, now we're at 4, which is the 70 plus times 50. Is that right? 2. 3 and 11. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3. 70 times 11. 50, which is probably up here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. That gets you the 35. Ooh. Ooh. Something weird happened here. Oh, I never fixed good morning. I never fixed my fixed some logic in the multiplication portion. I'm adding. No, I'm not. Okay. For a second. It's just the print. There we go. Yeah. Thought I was like tripping for a second. Okay, there we go. And now this is the right thing, right? Put the 70, replace the 3 with the 70. Then this says replace the 1 with the 3500. And then it apparently got to the end and it said screw you. Input. I need a better input. And then it says, once you have a working computer, the first step is to restore the gravity assist program your puzzle input to the stated just blah, 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 blah. To do this before running the program, replace position 1 with the value 12. Huh? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Nobody told me that. I mean, I didn't read that. So replace position 1 with the value 12 and replace position 2 with a value 2? Whoa, 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 whoa. To do this before running the program. Okay. Vim replaced copy input real input. That's so stupid. 12 and 2 with 2. 12 and 2. 12 and 2. I think that was my issue. Can't type. We on our way to greatness. I just didn't read the directions, that's all. Wow, golden stars. Now what? Saving. Oh. Oops. Woohoo. Nice. New computer seems to be working correctly. Keep it nearby during this mission. I'll probably use it again. Real Inco computers, but whatever. Inco programs given a list of integers. These values are used as the initial state for the computer's memory. When you run Inco program, make sure to start by initializing memory to the program value. Okay. So I have to maintain something called memory and addresses now. Okay. The address of the current instruction is called the instruction pointer. Starts at 0 after the... Oh my god, why am I reading this? We're ready to proceed. To complete the gravity system, you need to determine what pair of inputs produces. Oh lord. You can like make this up, right? Is this like a prime number? Okay. In this program, the value placed in address 1 is called the noun. The value placed in address 2 is called the verb. Each of the two input values will be between 0 and 99, inclusive. Uh-oh. Can't go any higher than that. Once the program is halted, its output is available at address 0. Also, just like before, each time you try a pair of inputs, make sure you first reset the computer's memory to the values in the program. Your puzzle input, in other words, don't reuse memory from the previous attempt. I thought I'm managing memory this time. Find the input noun and verb that cause the program to produce the output. What is 100 times noun plus verb? Yeah, the noun and the verb. Positions 1 and 2 are now addresses 1 and 2. The noun value and the verb value are 12 and 2. But what I don't understand why they're I don't understand why they're trying. It's like a factorial equation to me right now. Like I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see the puzzle input. Yep, it's the same as before. So none of this matters. Like, I'm confused. Thanks, Colton. Yeah, what about it? Not the solution, but now can be 42. Verb is just stupid big. Yeah, but they're saying it's anywhere from 0 to 99, so it makes me feel like this is just find the noun and the verb that gets you your answer. Like don't give us a giant string. Find the input noun and verb that caused the program to produce the output. Like I still don't understand why they're asking this question. Like you could Wolfram Alpha this if you wanted to. Yeah. I get what you're saying. Jesus Christ, that sucks, dude. Why? So they don't care. The rest of my program is a black box. What I just did, right? The add and the whatever. They're trying to figure out what two inputs I can put in positions 1 and 2. That will give me 1969 0720. Jesus, wow, you're right. Okay, thank you for clarifying. Would have took me a little bit. I would have to read it a few times. All right. Usually I like to make a part 2, but to pretty much iterate on 2 loops, changing noun and verb. You can actually do it by hand as well. Animal crackers in my soup. I need a new index. Let mutable noun be a use size of what? Of 1 to 99? Can't multiply by zeros. Oh my god, what? You can? That's stupid. Oh, it could be multiplication and addition, so I'm just gonna do it anyway. Nount. What am I typing, dude? I can't type. I'll take it slower. Animal crackers in my soup. Alright. We're gonna have so many fun loops, man. We're gonna go from 0 to 99 in here. Oh, it's gonna suck. Yeah. There's probably like an ale fix I can run. Nope. Rust fix. Nope. Highlight it all and press equals equals. From 0. And at the end of this loop, I'm going to increment noun. Hopefully I can get away with that. And then there's going to be another loop in here. Ghetto. And then at the end of this loop, I'm going to increment the verb. But before I get to the top, if verb is greater than 99, break. This looks so ghetto. So pretty much iterate on 2 loops, changing noun and verb, blah 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 blah. Day 4 begins. Back loops in a weird, brings back loops in a weird way. That really made me hate my solution because I wanted to get it done quickly. Well, I tried to not use these ghetto loops, just loop, which are basically like while ones in Rust. Or while trues in Rust, and yeah, how'd that go? Let me try to remember. Oh yeah, it didn't go well because of the in Rust. There's something called you can't let multiple borrows happen for mutable variables. Can I find value verb? Yo, who invented this? Oh, I invented it. That's what it's supposed to be noun. There we go. Disgusting. Do stuff. I don't know if I need to do this again, another loop under this. It does. You have for I and then N. You can get away with that. I just don't trust it anymore. I'm managing my own counters now. Okay. Because honestly, after I get this done, I'm gonna want to rerun it too. Like, I don't just want it going from 0 to 99. I feel like you can go from 0 to 99 and then from the 99 back to 0 on this, but that's basically the same thing. One just going like that, 0 to 99, and the other one 0 to 99, right? Doesn't matter if I'm doing like 0, 99 down. This is still covering the same. I'm just wondering if I can get two solutions. But I guess it doesn't matter as long as the program runs. I'm just gonna do this one first. Okay. This is why I really want to do stuff. Whoopsie daisy. Kind of went the route of lying manual debugging of int code computer and just manually enter the noun and verb, kind of skipped some to get closer to the expected output, then backed off and iterated one by one until I got the expected output. If you want a cheaper, fast solution, iterate on verb first, then go into noun. Notice how large the number is, but how low the verb is kind of gives you a hint. Verb doesn't change that much. What did I say? Yeah, but it's not like it's gonna take 5 years to run this. It's gonna take like a few seconds. Do stuff, they said. I'm at 0. At the end of this loop. Yep, I need to be incrementing now. At the end of this loop, I need to be incrementing verb. And here, I need to be doing my actual work with the indexes. But where's my program? There it is. Okay. It's not do stuff, it's set noun and verb. Program at 1 is the noun. Program at 2 is the verb. Mismatched types, oh that's cute. Did that work? Expected I32 found usize. Now what's this say? Okay. Why do this to me? Yes. Noun is a U size. Oh. For some reason I thought it was going to be used as an index, but it's not. It's the actual values. Huh, what do I do? Print line. Noun, verb. And the output. That's all I really care about. Where's the program? Okay. I don't like hard coding things, but I'm going to have to. Maybe not. Let's see. Let answer equal to, right? Answer parse. Actually, answer string. Okay. Unnecessary parentheses. Okay. We in it. Too much logging of output. I really don't care. Old, new, whatever. Especially if it has to log all that junk. That's the thing that's gonna slow it down. Just logs. I don't know why I'm doing this manually again. What is this? Incorrect closed limiter? Oh shit. You can die. You can die too. It just ends on the second piece. Reset back to 0 after you run the program. Your index global and being counted for noun and verb. What am I doing? What are you talking about? It says 0 and then not greater. Never index the scope. Never mind. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Never index. This is wrong, by the way, I think. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. Noun and verb, one and two. And it's supposed to print. And let me make some spacing. This is too much for me. If it's 99, break. If index is greater than the program length, see where this ends. My answer might be wrong. Well, it might not even be printing my answer. Looking for answer. 1969072. Panic. Index is out of bounds. Length is 153, but the index is 219. So at some point, it makes it want to jump out to 219, which is not a real thing. Should my code be able to handle that? I don't know. What operation is making it try to jump to, you know? I like how I got rid of all those debug statements. What operation is trying to mess with that index? You can check here. Print line. Indexes. Index. Take this out and put it into each op. This op and this op. It gets to 44 and then explodes. So wherever 44 is. Index is 44. Segment is 1, 2, 3, 4. Program index. Okay. Whoops. Okay, it's trying to store something somewhere that it doesn't belong. That's all it's doing. It's broken. It can't go from there. It can't 0, 1 breaks it. So where is the part that says like, hey, if you're trying to place it into an address that doesn't exist? This is different. This basically says like, I'm gonna have to allocate like an array with all zeros and then write this stuff over it. An array that fills with zeros to like 1,000 or something, or even more, who knows. I need to allocate memory. Because the other program was safe. It was like always writing within, it's, the program itself. What happens? Rust initialize vector with value with zeros. You shouldn't need to allocate the memory the program given should be storing out of range. Really? R2 should definitely still only be writing within itself. Okay. Thank you for the motivation, guys. Okay. For some reason, once it gets to the second part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 operations in, it's trying to write to 219. Unless my program is just 219 at that part. Index is 44. Okay, let me do that. Input. Search for these. 44 next. So it's, yeah. Probably mutated it and stored it in there. I don't see a 219 anywhere near. I screwed it up. 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 1, 1, 2, 3. Then you got 1, 3, 4, 3. 1, 5, 0, 3. 2, 1, 6, 0. 1, 5, 9, 1. And of course it'll get down to 219 right here. And for some reason this 215 one went through. Okay, if 215 one went through, doesn't make any sense. Because this is probably not 215 values. There's something definitely wrong. Look at that, it skipped over something. It got to... It got to... I think I need to create a new program each time. I'm like mutating the program each run. I think that's what's happening. Like what's happening here is, oops, and then I think that I need to create a new program each time I'm going through a new number up here. Create new fresh program, unmolested. I'm writing into the same piece and fucking it up. I think. Let me see. Yep, I just create the program up here. So this piece needs to go right here. Right here. Really fuck down. Okay. I was even looking for out of scope bars. That's the nature of the game, man. Now it doesn't like. What the hell is it highlighting here? What, you don't know what program is? You never seen program before? Jesus. I'm worried. What is it gonna tell me? Are you tripping? It was just a Vim issue, okay. Boop. Hey, look, it happened again. I almost put the program creation running in a new function that you pass with the original memory noun verb, so you know the program doesn't escape the scope. Yeah. I would like to modularize it too, but I feel rushed. I like cleaning things up into actual pieces. Okay. Okay. I'll note that down. Definitely want to modularize it. I just don't want to start with this. This doesn't matter to me, the creation of this. It's already like a little map. Mapping over. I think I'd rather modularize this logic, the if 99, like if it's what instruction, you know? What is it? Function what? Get instruction? Maybe? Do work? No. Yeah, I just want to modularize a function. And I want to be able to pass in the actual values and have it do what it needs to do. Get instruction. I might be thinking too hard. The lower level thing. Write functions for things that are ridiculous. What's up, Mikey? Oh, man. I don't know. I know C does this, but I don't know if Rust does this. Rust add a function. What are we talking about? What's ops? Oops. Okay. Well, how do I override a method? Okay. I don't want a self method. I want something that takes two things. God damn. I'm just gonna make it. Shit, I did here. Expect this. Oh. I'm literally writing freaking stupid stuff. I don't know why. Making stack bigger than it should be. That's what I'm doing. I'm making my function stack huge, dude. I'm doing unnecessary stuff. Yeah, I'm cool like that, man. A function do operation, do operation or execute operation, run operation. I don't know what's gonna take. I don't know if it should take an index. No, it's gonna take opcode. Opcode. My opcode gonna be I32, and we gonna return. We gonna return an I32. Yeah. Right. If opcode equals 99. I don't know. I don't know, people. I don't know who Colt 45 is, man. Never heard that name in my life. Keep making mistakes in my life. Shit. Ooh, that's not what I want. I want to send an opcode, operand, op1, and op2. The first one doesn't matter. I don't know why I'm doing whatever. It's easy, but it's for me, man. Op1, op2. Wow. Multiply op1, op2. You're unnecessary. Fix itself. It may be missing an else clause. Jesus. What are you talking about? Just return. Mismatch type. Where's Thari? My DC computer is stupid basic too, if you want to look at it. No, nobody wants to look at the codes, man. Nobody wants to answer. Found nothing. Found nothing. Expected that. Are you on drugs? No, I think it's just goofed up, dude. Yeah, it doesn't have a return. What else is my return? Oh, you're trying to say this? Oh, it's supposed to return. Yeah, you're right. I don't want it to return. I want it to throw an error. I want it to exit. I don't know how to exit. Throw error. Click JavaScript. Yeah, Rust. I want to exit. I want to kill. I want to haul. I want to just explode. Panic. Panic, man. I don't like this. It still won't return. No, because this language, I'll have to wrap this in something that's possibly nullable. You know, and I don't want to do that. Yeah, I'm just gonna return a fucking nothing. I could return a no, that doesn't work. I could panic and cause it to close, or I can do the right thing and wrap this in something that returns a possibility of being a null, and then check if it's null each time. Or I can be super ghetto and print this out and then panic and then return something ridiculous. Programming at its finest. Yo, I ain't trying to program, man. What is this? It says I never used the function. As if though this is like built in or something. Jesus Christ, dude. I don't like returns. That game nuked. Alright, let's do this. I got you, my dude. You Urker. You use what the fuck? I forgot what the key button is to move this up without having to do anything. Shift? Nope. Control? Maybe before I break it, let me save. No. Alt? I don't have Alt. Yeah. Undo that. Everything goofed. It's supposed to be something like shift and just like, yeah, it didn't do anything. Fuck it. I'm just gonna do it the right way. Alright, I don't know what's happening, dude. Don't worry about it, man. Halt and catch fire, alt. Alright, where am I at? Run operation is gonna be down here. loop, if it's an opcode, get all the result position in the ops. If 1 is the program index. Okay. Let opcode equal program index. Yeet equal. Wow. It's right here. Okay. Run. Do. What was it? It was run operation. Opcode. Op1. Op2. And it's technically supposed to place it already in where it needs to go. Fuck. I know, but at the same time, this op1, op2 bullshit. Alright, I need to switch something. Percent S op1 is op1 position. Oh. No. Yes. No. Yes. And op2 is op2 position. Okay. Opcode, let op1 be an I32. Alt J down, okay, up. Probably command J and K. I32, B. Program at op1 position. And let op2 be I32 program op2 position. Cool. Now, this will get you results. Let results be an I32. And then you want to actually load it in, which really should be in run operation if you want to be a cool guy. Store. Fuck, dude. I should really just store the fucking result. But then I would have to pass in the program variable, and I don't want to do that because it's mutating the state of the program variable, and I want to do that in this loop. I have control of it in this loop. Building a fucking spaceship. I'm charting out the star specs, the star coordinates, to help Santa get back to Earth. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's the goal. That's the business goal. You know, it's high level. That's the business level, man. I'm talking about it. You think I'm tripping? Look at this. Advent of code. About this particular challenge, I'm building a computer. My computer No, I'm not. I only got addition, multiplication, and break. Anyway, so I would love to put this into something that's a vector that contains all these, but I'm gonna leave it as it is. Extract the fucking values. Op1, op2, result, opcode. Wow, that's good. Index is technically called opcode position. Alright, after it runs this. What is supposed to happen? I can get rid of these if statements. If I need to print it out, print it out later. Or if program 0 is the answer, okay, at the very end. Answer is no. Otherwise, we're going to the moon. Michael, we go to the moon. We go to the moon. We go to the moon. Your opcode is invalid opcode. I'm not. Okay. That's not the program, my dude. What are you tripping on, man? Okay, if 99 is program, finish the program at this. Yes, break and don't even go on anymore. What are you doing going on? I need you to break out of all loops. I need you to break all loops, not just this loop. I need you to panic. Yeet. Wow, we didn't get anywhere. We don't want to end there, actually. We want to end the program. Will kick us out of this loop and go on to the next. The verb, the next verb. Oof. All right, Mike. All right, you good. Peace out. You want to go to Kura today? Kura. Hokkaido cream tart. Yes, now. You want to go now? No, you don't do dishes, Mike. Fuck the dishes. We can do Hokkaido cream tarts. Come on, Mike. Don't be a bitch. It's funny because the stream can't hear you. I'll fix that though. Yeah, the stream shouldn't be able to hear you because I have my you want to yeah. Can you want to know why the stream can't hear you? Oh, Michael, say something. Oh, okay. Stream can't hear you because I'm wearing a pair of headphones underneath my headphones. What do you think about that, Mike? I'm wearing a pair of headphones. Come on, Mike. Be not a bitch. Be a bitch, Mike. No, I have this laptop and I'm running OBS on my big PC, right? My actual PC. And on the laptop, I'm running this display and I'm like streaming my display into OBS on my PC. Like, look. This is what I really see. I have Discord on my laptop. Yeah, and I have my laptop headphones underneath my PC headphones. You know, I'm dumb like that. My microphone? You're listening to my microphone from my laptop right now. Look, I'm gonna mute my stream microphone. I unmuted my stream microphone. I know it doesn't sound like my laptop because my laptop is good, dude. It has 3 microphones built in, dude. Sounds good, doesn't it? I can also switch to my headphones, but then you'll be able to hear music filtering into my other. Yeah. There's no directional shit on there. My stream says you should... Colton45 said, don't be a bitch. Don't be a bitch. Don't be a bitch. Alright. But really, like, I don't know who Colton is, man. I forgot where I was already. Halts before he even got to finishing the program. Okay. Colton is Colton, dude. He like code. No, it's just people that know how to do this this challenge thing. Which is funny. There's people that actually do these challenges, but they don't know what like the security ones are. Like I told them like I just do like CTFs for fun. And they're like, what's the CTF? I'm like, okay. But plus, this is like the advent of code, which is like the advent of Christ, which is very Christian. Which is very European. Which is very non-PC. Hell yeah! I got coupons, man. I gotta use these coupons before the 16th. I got Kura coupons. I got 2 $5 coupons for Kura. That's 2 plates. That's 2 Hokkaido cream tarts. That's 4 Hokkaido cream tarts. Total. I'm smart. I'm not too much into the whole red and blue teaming stuff, but I've dipped my hands in. I just like the Jeopardy board style ones that are like, here's your crypto challenges, here's your binary challenges for reversing, here's your steganography challenges. Find out what's in this image, or where's the data encoded in this image, or figure out what this beeping noise is, or you know, what else is there? Crypto for ciphers, reverse engineering binaries. Oh, like packet analysis, like internet traffic analysis from PCAP files. Oh, and web, like doing cross-site scripts or injections, right? In like little web boxes. Or like Unix permissions based things, like figuring out how to elevate your privileges, because there's always like hack the box, which I think that's the one that's like they give you a VPN and then they're like, hey, figure out the vulnerable services. There's all sorts of freaking security stuff. But this code, man, I just needed an excuse to try Rust. And this is failing big time. Print line. Indexo. Index, what am I looking for? Index, opcode. Index, program, index. ER. We get to index 148.99 and it just ends it, which it's not supposed to break out of all the loops. Is it gonna continue? Used to be the other side, young teen, early 2000s. Now I work communication protocols on my job, so I'm almost always blue teaming, I guess. Used to be on the other side as a young teen in the early 00s. Malicious, man. Mucho malicious. If it's 99, I thought break was supposed to break out of the current loop, not all loops. What the flip is this shit? Might continue. Continue is not going to do anything. Just give me index out of bounds error. Break is only supposed to leave one loop. What the hell, dude? Rust break. You know what? This language is stupid. You mean these? Man, this language is stupid, dude. It's like some JavaScript. Stupid. Why are you hating? You don't like my inconsistent consistency? I'm consistently inconsistent, dude. Anyway, it only index 0. Oh, that's what it does. I'm stupid, man. It does finish fine, but then for some reason, it writes the output of the program into the first thing, which is not what I want. I don't want to reuse it. I already realized that. Why is it not remaking it? Is it in the wrong scope? Mucho in the wrong scopo? Program of 0. Where am I writing this shit? Answer. What is this? What is this? I do not set this. Please don't tell me I'm doing this. Uh-huh. 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 At the end of the last one, I think I set a big number to 0. Yep, the program puts it in there. And it's supposed to just give up right here, man. It's supposed to give up right here. Why is it using the same program? Am I supposed to... New program. Program equals new program. JavaScript. I'm in Java. Do I want to? Is there? Do this. But then these verbs need to be set. Each time I have to overwrite it, so it needs to be, okay, I'm gonna have to abstract this into a function. ASAP Rocky Mike, it's lunchtime. They might close like in 3 seconds. You know what I'm saying? Oh my god, why are you trying to tell me? I don't believe you. I don't believe you. Noun, which is I32, and verb, which is an I32. and return a, what's a return? An entire program. A reference maybe? A vector of i32? I forgot how to write this shit, dude. i32. Okay. Expected a struct. Uh-huh. Is that what you expected? Well, I don't know how to type in your language. What are you trying to do, Mike? What are you trying to do? Reasonable. Yeah, 30 minutes from now I can go. We can bring you there. You come over here. Okay, let's see. Well, yeah, if you show up here, we can take you there. You don't want to drive, but you could drive. Now we're used to be on the side. Booters were my thing. You can name label your brake. Oh no, it wasn't that. It wasn't my brake. I don't know how late I am on that. I am not too late on that. I'm like 2 minutes. It's because I'm still reusing the program. I was tripping. Okay. I would like to pass in a program. This is not gonna work, I think. Okay. Return contents. No. Let temp equals contents dot split on this map string to i32. Select temp. One is noun. Temp of 2 is noun. What is contents? Don't even know. Is a vector of a string. Perfecto. Jesus Christ. Expected font and string. Found no method named map. Okay, maybe I can get away with this. Nope. Maybe I can get away with putting a and string. Nope. Maybe I need to learn what I'm doing. FS read to string. What do you return? FS read to string Rust. Returns a result string. Okay. Have to love strong types. I like strong typing. I don't know if I love it. I just am tripping. It reads the file contents, right? Right. I had it earlier. Read to string. It says it returns a result of string. Okay. Let me look up result. This is probably used across stdio for any operations which may produce an error. Okay. Alright, good luck with that. We're gonna leave. Alright then. Alright then. Alright then. Yablo. It should just tell me what it is. Yeah, contents of scope. I can do something like I can set it up here. Where's contents? I can set it here and say it's I32, and then it'll just give me an error telling me exactly what it is. It'll be like result and string maybe, or result string. Yep, it says found struct string. Okay. So maybe I could just get away with just string. Maybe I don't have to freaking think about the higher level type, you know, the stuff around it. Let temp be a, this should be a vector of I32. There we go. There we go. I think. This function takes 3 params, but 2 parameters were supplied. Okay. So. What are you, a loser? Why don't I ever press the buttons, right? Contents. Perfecto. Cannot borrow, temp is mutable. Noun and noun, nobody caught that? And on that note, I need food. See ya. Thanks for stopping by. Welcome back, man. I don't believe you. Dude, you need to let it go, dude. You've been hurting yourself for no reason. You know. Life. I'm like, what? Yeah, I told him that. Actually, no, I didn't. You conveniently went away when he went away. I mean, you conveniently came back when he went away. Shoo. Oh, I can't read this. I'm having the use of moved. What the fuck is this saying? Use of moved value contents. Move occur which does not implement copy trait. Yo, dog. What that means? Are you gonna get sushi? Where'd the jar to go? What me and Mike are about to do. That's beautiful, dude. So glad for you. Like, huh? My life choices, they don't support them. And I gotta figure out why this is happening. Let contents. Use of moved value. Use of moved value. Rust. What kind of... What do I have to do with solve use of moved value error? With the current definition of your function vector as prime, the function specifies that it requires ownership of the parameter because you pass it by value. When a function requires a parameter by value, the compiler would check if the value can be copied by checking if it implements the trait copy. If it does, the value is copied with a mem copy. If it doesn't, then the value is moved to the given function. Holy shit. And the caller cannot use it afterwards. Michael said he's gonna do the dishes and vacuum. Like, he's like, I know I won't do it after I come back from the sushi, so I'm gonna do it now. Yeah, I was gonna make fun of Mike. What's up? Hopefully not a lot. He said 20-30 minutes. Just watch an episode of something small. Watch a BuzzFeed video. Watch a Hot Ones. Watch a Boku no Pico. It's only 30 minutes. All right. Like the song Stupid. Okay. This is the meaning of the error messages you have. I can't read it. However, most functions do not require ownership of the parameter. They can work on borrowed references, which means they do not actually own the value and cannot, for example, put it in a container or destroy it. Okay. Well, guess what? Mine isn't really doing anything with it. So what do I have to do? The function vectors prime now specifies that it only needs a slice, i.e. a borrowed pointer to an array. Oh, what's that even fucking mean? We gon' learn. Yeah, good luck. It's not cheap. It's not cheap. It's not cheap. Wow. It just stopped. So dumb. I'm not gonna print it every single time. I don't want to. The file. Hmm. Why do you want to take long exposures? Because that's a night thing. Relieve yourself on the sidewalk.
Sauce, baby. No, I'm wrong, baby. GB, baby. Obla. Bang, bang. Nigga, I'm 3.
We gon' pull up with them sticks and hop out with them choppers. Walking out the 10 in blue Balenciagas. I caught her out, now I got blood on blue Balenciagas. Up that 40, let that pistol sing a melody. Fuck all of that talking, we can go to war.
Oh Jesus.
Ain't marinating on the boulevard. I got something that'll put you out your misery. 7.62, 5.56 is 223. With that K, broad day, we hop out the spray. Young nigga way until my dying day. You ain't bout that action, boy, let's not pretend. Caught you lacking after school and shot at all your friends. It go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Unload the clip, reload the clip, and then you spin again. And if they out when you come back, then bitch, you spin again. Congratulations, I just taught you how to spin a Benz. We gon' pull up with them sticks and hop out with them choppers. Walking out the 10 in blue Balenciagas. I caught her out, now I got blood on blue Balenciagas. Up that 40, let that pistol melody. Fuck all of that talking, we can go to war. Leave your brain marinating on the boulevard. I got something that'll put you out your misery. 7.62, 5.56 is 223. 223, AR-15, carbon 9. They all on me. Fuck with me, you get murdered. It ain't shit to put a pussy nigga on the shirt. Fuck all that talking, we all about that action. We pull it with piss and you know that we blast. These niggas ain't really on it, they pussy, I swear they got all these niggas just mad. Hold up, action, I wanna fuck her. Pussy runner, we gon' put them on a t-shirt. With it, yeah, with it. Pull up on them with a tech, run up on me, you get wet. Nigga, fuck with me like your regret. I got some niggas who really be with it. You nigga pussy, you pussy a friend. You nigga pussy, you don't want no action. How my nigga gon' turn you to passion? We got Glock with 100 rounds. Catch a art, killer art, lay 'em down. Fuck with us, you get murked facts, nigga. Big B, 0020, 10, 90, black, nigga. We gon' pull up with them sticks and hop out with them choppers. Walking out the 10 in blue Balenciagas. I caught her out, now I got blood on blue Balenciagas. Up that 40, let that pistol sing a melody. Fuck all of that talking, we can go to war. Leave your brain marinating on the boulevard. I got something that'll put you out your misery. 7.62, 5.56 is 223. Yeah. Melly baby, and I'm back. Yeah, yeah. I'm on a whole nother fucking wave, bro. You can't even swim with this shit I'm spitting. Young nigga world, baby. Young nigga world, baby. Young nigga wave, yeah, yeah. Floating. For real. Hey.
Fuckers in school were telling me always in a barber shop. Cheek Keef ain't about this, Cheek ain't about that. My boy a BD on fucking Lamron and them. They say don't be nigga put on no weight. Shut the fuck up! Y'all ain't no shit! All you motherfuckers talking about Cheek Keef ain't no hitter, Cheek Keef ain't this, Cheek Keef a fake. Shut the fuck up! Y'all don't deal with that nigga. Y'all know that nigga got caught with a ratchet. Shooting at the police and shit. Nigga been on probation since fucking I don't know when. Motherfuckers stop fucking playing them like that. Them niggas savages out there. If I catch another motherfucker talking sweet about Cheek Keef, I'm fucking beating their ass.
Fuck is happening here?
These bitches lost so oh, and I know it. Fucking with them old boys, you gon' get fucked over. Rarries and Rovers, these hoes are cheap so hit on with that Cobra. Now that boy slumped over.
Rip Juice, dude. Yeah. I'm a definition of a bandit, yeah. What's up? Your girl's house. Hayming's gonna be so devastated. That's what Juice WRLD is what got him into hip hop. Now he has to go back to K-pop. It's not for the indexes. Program needs to be created right before that. Oh, how does it make you feel? Boku no Pico is better. Dude, I already did my research, man. If you want to shoot non-analogish thing, non-digital thing, you go get yourself a Blackmagic. And if you don't, then get that whatever T is. Fuck, I forgot what it was. It's a digital camera, but it's really good. It looks really cool. It looks like a retro camera. No, it looks like a retro camera. I'm gonna look it up right now for you on stream. No. What? I forgot. I should do laundry too, but I ain't got. Nobody cares about laundry. We're not playing Fortnite at your girl's house. We ain't playing anything. Canon? Canon T? No. Can you give me some camera brands? It was Fuji. Fuji T X-T3 probably, yeah. No. Yes, it's the X-T3. I don't know what the fuck that is. Why are you hating, dude? You can't tell me it's not a great camera. All around. Alright, I'm all about that X-T3 though. You and your crop sensor, thinking it makes a difference. You want to, all about the lenses. This better work. I don't know what the fuck I just did, but that definitely didn't work. How the fuck did that work? Why are you so obsessed with me? Answer is break the fuck out of the loop, damn it. Dude, you're retarded, dude. I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna kill you. That's right. 57 for 41. 57 Python. 57 times 41 times 100. Ooh, baby, shit. Ooh, baby. It says that's not the right answer. Your answer is too high. What was the question? Find input noun and verb. Oh, okay. 57 times 100 plus 41. You gave an answer too recently. Oh, it's playing a XXX Tentacion song. That guy's dead. And so is Justicia World. You so whittled. Alright. That's right. Oh my god, this is the most disgusting thing I've ever done, dude. Copy answers answer chal to dot text and copy source main the source main chal to dot rs. Vim. Oh, not chal 2. Move source. Fuck. I don't know. Michael probably got rid of it. Adding payloads, adding answers and code for part 2. Yeah, read the rules, bitch. I was thinking about it, you know, but then I forgot because I have ADD. Adding answers and code for part 2. Rust change main.
Oh, that bitch recorded. It's crazy. Yeah, select, you know. Whole lot of games. Bow, grow, bow, grow, bleh. Select, hold up, select, blood.
C3PO.
I'ma let my hip tuck. Put a 40 with a dick, you gotta kill it, yeah.
Oh.
In the clip, it's CEE through. What I'll do, you ARs and them 223s. Fucking around with me, you see. Heard he caught a body.
Good one.
But that does not mean shit to me. Got two on me, got two on me. Plug in, yeah, so who on me? Detrimental. Me and Glock all on your instrumental. I kill a nigga and it really one coincidental. Stop all that flagging shit, you just be on that acting shit. No, I ain't with no capping shit and I ain't on no rapping shit. No lacking, bitch. You
Nah.
no lacking, bitch. I check in the blood, nigga, like, hey, man, was bracking, bitch. I'm 2 flows up on you niggas. I'm 2 flows up on you niggas, yeah. What I'll do you want from me? ARs and them 223s. Fucking around with me, you see. I'm hot, I'm 500 degrees. Heard he caught a body, but that does not mean shit.
He means like actually make albums.
I like black. Nigga play, he get whack. Now you tryna find his face, ain't no trace, ain't coming back. G9, Mr. 2 Glocks, just bought a Mac. A Mac for your one foot in the industry and one foot in the trap. Provide that dope to my bloodline, I treat him like my strap. Cut by me here, take the nigga feed off the map.
It's art.
Get caught. 2 guns, that's a twin Glock. Cause the bitch froze at that. Like apostrophe Google forgot to come in the back. Say I'm worth 250K. You better train on that nigga.
The banana on the wall.
ARs and them 223s. Fucking around with me, you see.
Oh my gosh.
500 degrees. Heard he caught a body, but that does not
Disgusting, dude. So disgusting.
plug in, yeah, so who on me?
Black like swoop. Yeah, what you want, what do you want?
Disgusting.
For a punk, yeah. What he see, y'all? Big blacks cause I bleed, yeah. What he on, what he breathe, yeah. I'm pushing P, yeah.
I guess I'm good with this. I got past part 2. We go into the moon.
Them want know when me have a knock, ken, crocodile came and a bus. Knock it, make it light up your life like pepper light like Christmas or tomorrow. Broke and back out a beam in a gut. Like you shoulda name cave time fly another bat. I know say Russian I did not link up against slide under your mother. None of them not there on me level. Not even I know how I do it. I just do it like Jordan or you, we know Shaquille or Kobe, and no one can stop me. Me no know when, but I know today, I know tomorrow. I know today, I know tomorrow.
I showed a picture of how Mark looks.
For them now jam like Dojam. My gun them now it's fan program. You know say you shoulda send some more man. Them 4 shooter then now come back. Some way underground is them new like number. Dexter Pepper when say James roll out. Oh my God, people are run up and down like Jesus just come back. This a scene coulda full of blood bank. Erica, Parabellum, knock it, rapid him up, touch it. Pull it up on the back and them one another. We a go get out.
Now I know you're lying.
I don't.
Are you too old for Use World?
You said Juice World.
Yeah, Use World.
I don't know what the fuck that is.
Justicia.
Fucking rapper? Of course I don't know. I don't listen to rap.
Do you only listen to anime OSTs?
I don't choose to listen to rap as a thing I do.